Today, we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Coppock curve indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Coppock curve indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 53 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 745 indicators, with 297 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 7 indicators. 4 of them have maintained the winning status, with the best one able to maintain a 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is, or today's video is the advanced testing of the Coppock curve indicator, and you can see it here on screen. I did go in and bump up the line weight of the indicator here, and as I did in the original video, I added a 0 line, and so this black line right here is a 0 line. It's right at the 0 mark. And then what we were looking for is when the Coppock curve, the oscillating line here, breaks up above the 0 line. That is when we take a long position, as in right here, for example, long position there, and ride it up to our take profit. And then on the reverse side, when we get a break below the 0 line, like right here, that is a signal to go short. Now in the original testing, I think this one only did about 7 signals within the 1 year's time, and so we've broken this down into a lower time frame. And so the way I've broken it down is that the indicators that did 7 signals, we are going to test on the 8-hour time frame. And the way I'm going to break down the take profit and stop is that I'm going to take the original daily take profit and stop, and I'm going to cut it in half for any time frame that is down to 6-hour time frame. And so from the 6-hour time frame and up, so basically what we have is the 12-hour time frame is the highest we go until we hit a daily time frame, like we've been testing all the other ones. And so we have the 12-hour and down from there. So when we step down to the 12-hour, down to 6-hour is going to cut the take profit and stop in half, Once we hit 6-hour time frame and below, we're then going to cut it into fourths. And so that's kind of the idea behind all this. So anyways, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the 50 trade test. We'll pick it up on the other side to see what it was able to achieve. All right, so before we take a look at what it was able to achieve over the advanced testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server. This is our Patreon only channel on our Discord server, where we post some really great advanced information for our patrons. We have quite a few members in here posting regular market analysis of different markets. So this is Sasquatch. He is an amazing Forex trader, posting regular Forex analysis and posting charts like this, as you can see, outlining some really great information. A lot of stuff you can learn from following along with Sasquatch and his charting and analysis on the Forex market. Our admin Jay does some really great analysis on the futures market. There's a lot of stuff you can learn from him as well. And myself, I am playing around with day trading the S&P 500. Working on stuff in that area. Another thing that you can do is that if you are a patron of the channel, if you reach out to either myself or our admin Jay, we will be happy to give you a little bit of time to do a one-on-one session to help answer any questions you might have, or possibly help you advance any projects or anything you might be working on. So a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so back to the advanced testing here. So we did 50 trades like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 25 winners and 25 losing trades. So obviously that is not going to maintain that 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so this one is going to go on the losing list of the advanced tested or retested indicators, and we will move on to the next video from here.